Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by locating the recovery key and confirming the laptop state so you can proceed without guessing. Sign into your Microsoft account or check any printed or USB stored key. Azure AD or Intune may hold it if the device is corporate. Once you have the 48-digit key, make sure the laptop is charged and connected to the internet. You'll need it to validate and resume. If you don't have the key, pause and search accounts or admin consoles before continuing. This prevents data loss. You now access boot and recovery to present the recovery key. This is how Windows accepts the override. Restart and use the Lenovo button or the appropriate F key to open the boot menu, then choose your USB recovery drive or Windows recovery environment. Once inside, select Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options. If firmware changes triggered Bitlocker, enter UEFI settings and confirm boot order. When prompted for the recovery key, carefully type the full 48-digit sequence. Make sure hyphens, once accepted, you can decrypt or suspend Bitlocker to restore normal boot. Choose the fastest safe option. Use Manage BDE commands in an elevated command prompt to unlock, decrypt, or get status, and run chkdsk/f and sfc/scano to repair file system issues that can block recovery. After successful boot, update BIOS and Windows, then re-enable Bitlocker. If the key fails, double-check every digit and source. Try other Microsoft accounts or your organization's portal. If still blocked, contact your admin for the escrowed key.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.